Hello and welcome to our website. In this video I'll talk about Cloudway and also the facilities they are offered. With Cloudway you can do building simple barcodes, you can manage customers, suppliers, employees, products or services, documents issued. You can do invoices, opinions, input notes, reception notes from suppliers. You can do invoices that permit client serious marking and automatic numbering. Barcode bill clients that facilitates their payment for banks, post offices, etc. Reconciliation of payments being made automatically for import data of invoices or notices from suppliers. You can do receipts and custom orders, payment and collection provisions for employees. You can do cash register, monitor. You can upload a company logo that will be on any document issued, like invoices, bills, notices, various reports, etc. You can set your own VAT rate at any time. You can set your own euro currency and exchange rate. Mr. Jack Fernandez from Bangkok, Thailand is one of our best clients, and we offer him services in the domain of IT, SEO, web design, consultancy, ERP software, custom software, cloud software, e-commerce applications on premise and online. I explained to Mr. Jack Fernandez how an ERP software works, and please read his testimonial. Hello, I'm Jack Fernandez from Thailand, and I run my own business in the distribution of goods and recharge goods for mobile operators. Cloud is an indispensable product for me because basically I replace the postal secretary and accounting word and over. I'm happy if I save time and money getting rid of a lot of trouble, easily operate the application of quality report. Invoices are automatically generated and printed also automatically with just 2 mouse clicks. You can import data easily and on time. It's a good thing to have Cloudway. Contact me if you want to know more at publicity.online.2012 at gmail.com, and thank you for watching this video.